बाकी टोकून सांगताय की आम्ही डबल इंजिन सरकार जाल्यार आमची आमगे मायनॉरिटी कम्युनिटी आहा गोंयची एसटी ओके ते 12% आहे 12% इज नॉट अ स्मॉल नंबर 12% इज अ व्हेरी बिग नंबर at least it's around 1.75 lakh people in the state of Goa. So हेंगे बिल कित्याक हाडलो ना तुमी जेन्ना तुमगेलो डबल इंजिन सरकार आहा हिंगाय तुमगे थिंगाय थिंगाय इतल्या पासत की बारीक समाजा लोक म्हणून तेंक सदां निग्लेक्ट करून दवरतले हें जावपा शिरीपण आनी जावपा दिवपाचें न्हय आमी हें बिल तुमच्यान जाय जाल्यार गेले ते पार्लिमेंट सेशनाक आनी पास करूं जाता तेच्या पयलीं सांगलो तुमी ते पार्लिमेंट नेक्स्ट पार्लिमेंट सेशन जातो म्हणून पूण जालना हें जालना दाखोवपा इतलें कारण की तुमकां बारीक समाजा लोकांचें पोंड गेलो ना आमगेले हे एसटी लोकांचे तुमकां पोंड गेलो ना पोंड गेलो जाल्यार तुमी बिल कितें कोन्न पास करून घेवपाचें दिस इज अ क्लियर डिसरिस्पेक्ट टू द एसटी समाज ऑफ गोवा and we condemn this okay this is inhuman on part of the BJP government either it be in the state of Goa or at the national level parliament जाय जाल्यार तुमकां जाय न्ही बिलां ओवरनायट सकाळी टायमार रावन तुमी पास करून गेली पूण आमी एसटी समाजा बिल तुमच्यान पास करून दिवपा जाताले तेंगे रायट्स तेंका दिवपा जाताले ते तुमी तेंका डिप्रायव केले.
The ST community in Goa is at 12%. 12% is not a small number. It is a demand, and the Goa government itself has put up a proposal. And earlier a panel was supposed to be asked by the Goa government, asked them, they rejected it. Now what does this message go? The BJP is on record to say that they could not bring the bill in this session. The Rajya Sabha MP is on record. The Lok Sabha MP, Union Minister is on record to say that they could not bring this in Parliament because there were other bills which is more important than the ST bill which is meant for Goa. What is the message? The message is loud and clear that they do not care for the ST. Now, we know in Goa what is happening. The BJP leaders are moving from different parties having the double engine sarkar, asking for a caste census so that the downtrodden and all are raised up. But no, this is a government that is meant for the higher class, not for the poor to come up, not for those who are being suppressed, them for the crushing. So I would like to say that AITC at Parliament level is taking up this issue. They have demanded in Parliament that this bill be brought. In the Business Advisory Committee in the Parliament, they demanded it. But the BJP government at center seems to be caring very little for the ST community of Goa. Not only the ST community, the other downtrodden like the fisher folks, which was raised up by our Rajya Sabha MP Derek O'Brien. How the fisher folks have been troubled in the coastal areas. So in the total sum and substance to even repair their houses are getting trouble. But whereas 5-star hotels, which violate all CRZ rules and norms, are permitted and are there lying for years and years together. The question what we are trying to make is, AITC is going to fight for this cause and will see that if it does not get the AITC, the bill, the ST bill in this Parliament session, we will definitely see that it is raised very vigorously in Parliament and get the ST. They are on record to say that nobody is objecting to this bill. So why are you keeping it in the only people who are objecting to the bill is the central government of the BJP.